Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Akeneo Connector for OpenCart. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. The first step is to enable the module. Now enter the domain of your Akeneo account. Now copy the activate and callback URL from here and log in with your Akeneo account. In Akeneo account, go to Connect and check if Create an App option is present. If you don't see the option to create the app, then go to System and click Roles. Now select any user for which you want to provide access to Create App. Go to Permission and click Connect. Select Create and delete custom apps. Also provide permission for products, categories and channels. Click Save. Now click Create an App. Add app name. Add activate URL copied from module setting. Add callback URL copied from module setting. Click Create. Now copy client ID and secret from here and paste in module setting in respected fields. Click Save. Now go to Akeneo account and click Done. Now click Connect in your app. Agree the terms and condition and click Confirm. Now, refresh the OpenCart module setting page and check if access token is updated. If not, then copy the new generated token and paste in module setting and save. Now select the product currency. This currency will use to get the product price while importing products from Akeneo to OpenCart. Now map the OpenCart languages to Akeneo languages. Now select stores to add imported categories and products. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete. Now we will show you the import process of categories and products. Click the Akeneo menu and you will see the import menus. In case these menus are not present, then check the permission from user groups. Now click the Import category. Click the Import button to import the categories from Akeneo to OpenCart. You need to repeat same process for products. The Reset Import button is to reset the import. It means next time you will the import, it will start from page 1. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.